Let us take second problem. So it is given that on a 200 meter long straight road, maximum number of poles are fixed at 20 meter interval. So it is given. The question is how many of these poles should be removed in order to have maximum number of poles at an interval of 40 meter. So these poles means, so first we have to arrange number of poles so that it will be maximum on the road 200 meter at a 20 meter interval. So if this is 200 meter road, and if we start from here, pole 1, and between two pole there is 20 meter gap, therefore this will 10 gaps in 20 meter road. So 1 2 3 4 5, so let us take this is 5, so this will be P1 P2 P3 P4 P5 P6, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, this is 10. So this is 20 meter gap. Okay, this is 20 meter gap, this is 20 meter gap, this is 20 meter, this is 20 meter, 20 meter. So therefore this is P2 P3 P4 P5 P6 P7 P8 P9 P10 P11. So if we put maximum number of poles with gap 20 meter on a road of 200 meter, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 into 20 meter, that is 200 meter. So we get the maximum number of poles. So these poles means 11 poles. Okay, so now on a road 200 meter long straight road, maximum number of poles is 11, so that the distance between two poles is 20 meter. So the question is how many of these poles should be removed in order to have maximum number of poles at an interval 40 meter. So now we remove the poles so that it could be 40 meter gaps. So to make 40 meter gaps and make sure that the number of poles will be the maximum, then this will be the 40 meter gap. So there will be 5 40 40 40 40 40 meters. So 5 into 40, so 200 meter. So therefore in between this should be removed, this should be removed, this should be removed, this should be removed, this should be removed. Therefore the number of maximum poles will be present on the road, so that between two poles there is 40 meter gaps. So 1 2 3 4 5 poles should be removed in order to have maximum number of poles at an interval 40 meters. So the answer is 5. So 5 poles should be removed. So the option C is correct. Okay, option C is correct. So if you like it, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. I'll discuss more problem from general aptitude of CSIR net exam, basically from mathematical sciences. Thank you. Keep learning, keep watching.